Building your new home is an exciting time. As we build your dream home, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Our introduction is the first of 4 meetings you'll attend throughout our Build Quality Experience. A step-by-step process that fosters communication, attention to detail, and high quality. The primary purpose of this meeting is to introduce you to your construction manager, an experienced residential home construction professional assigned to oversee the building of your home. They'll become your go-to person for information about everything from pouring the foundation to window installation. During the meeting, your construction manager will set expectations regarding our Build Quality Experience. You'll review pertinent details about the home building process, including your design and option choices, construction schedule, home site orientation, utility placement, and more. Together, you'll establish your preferred method of communication to keep you updated on the progress of your home, as well as review upcoming critical dates. Your construction manager will also explain the handling of site visits, home inspections, and other events. You'll then proceed to your home site to see your house placement, familiarize yourself with where your foundation will sit, and learn about important drainage information and other build considerations. At the meeting's end, you'll receive information to take home and reference throughout the construction process and for closing. Your construction manager will conclude by outlining the next steps in our Build Quality Experience, the inspections of your foundation, framing, and mechanical systems. If you'd like to visit your home outside of the time scheduled in your Build Quality Experience, please contact your sales consultant or a construction manager to make an appointment. For your safety, you must be accompanied by one of our employees when visiting your home site. Appointments will generally be available on weekdays between the hours of 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. We want to make sure that you're pleased with your home buying experience and that you have peace of mind throughout the entire process.